Alright. Now we're done making the reindeer. Why are you talking like that? Oh, doing my impression of Boris Johnson. Hello, Boris Johnson! Oh. Yeah, he's a crazy guy. Yeah, no. Anyways. You know what's even worse? We finally made it. Do you know what's even worse? What? Donald Trump. Okay, I got us. Huh? You're joking me? I'm gonna build a gigantic wall. Yeah, that one! Did I still do a good job? Yeah, he's the G word. As in the guy. Alright. Ow. My leg. Alright. Why are you doing impressions with a little piece of string anyway, Flea Gull? It's because I thought it was gonna be funny. Anyways, we made the reindeer toy again. We got it from the Superbugs. Hello. Yeah, I know. I'm Boris Johnson. I can help coronavirus. Alright, we get it. Hello, Bob. I'm doing an impression of Donald Trump.
I'm gonna build a wall.
Okay. Anyways, what are we gonna do today? I don't know. One of your friends might be at IKEA, I guess.
Yeah, must be in the slide.
I don't know. Guys! This time, I'm gonna be doing some grocery gang. Yay! And I know you guys are gonna like it. New guy delivery. Thank you. Have a good day. Excuse me? Melbig, I ask you a question. Go ahead. Why is the Grocery King made another series called I think it might be like something to do with viruses or something like that. Oh yeah, yes! Coronavirus with the limited edition metallic grocery. Like all metal, not hand painted, not hand stickered. Alright then. Thank you, I'm just thank you, have a good day. Ow! My leg! What? Ow, you looking for a seagull? He's right here. Hello! Oh, hey there! What? Wait! Of a color! Well, hello there. Hey, Oliver Color, how's it going? It's doing pretty good. I like your staff. Yeah, I like your staff as well. What? What's going on? I don't know. I don't know either. Something to do with pears? Yeah, no. Now, isn't this something? A grocery gang version of ourselves? Yeah, and what if the grocery gang made another series called Coronavirus with the limited edition metallic grocery? You know, not hand painted, not hand stickered, but all metal. Anyways, I guess it could be a thing. And it doesn't have pen holders. What's the seagull doing? The early bird gets the worm.
just found a piece of string, and I decided that I want to eat it.
Well, the early bird gets the string.
Yeah, I guess so. Oh.
Oh my God, it's broken! You furry!
Alright, I'm sorry. Hold on.
Later.
No. Cuckoo! You know what the time is? It's time for Stickery Mayhem Crashlings from space.
Joking.
Executed produced by Finn Kershaw, a Kershaw Strip production, a Strip Communications Company. You have a coronavirus?
No! There's a piece of string in my throat. Thanks, Barney.
And the dinosaurs fell in.
Done.
Alright, Donkey Pump. Ready when you are.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to my introduction. Get going on your buddy. We're here with the Smashers, Series 1, 2, and 3. The Mighty Beans, Series 1 and 2. The Mighty Beans Bean Pods, the Ugliest, and the Crashlings. With the new Crashling in the other color. Mummy Royd.
Did you just fart at Walking Telephone? I did, King.
Yeah, get some cards.
Thanks.
Gross. The Flippazoos, the Boopies, the Pop-Up Snots, and the Super Zings. With the new Super Zing in the other color, Peronius. And the Fungus Among Us, and the Zombings Buildings Vehicles, and the Slimies, and the Five Surprise, and the Super Bugs. The Gloopers, the Trash Pack, and the Grocery Gang. With the new grocery, Seagull. I guess. And the new guy with two colors. And that is the Poop Pigeon. Or Pudgy Pigeon. Alright then. And the Grocery Gang Bug Strike, and the Time Wars, and the Flush Force, and the Porg. And the Dino Smashers Skeletons, and the Dino Smashers Figures, and the Trash Wheel. Looks like Goggles has lost her head. I'm gonna go home now. Hey, Dinky Pump, where are you going? Yeah, that Goggles one is really funny. Wait. What? seems like that. Wait, why is there ketchup coming out of there?
That's blood of goggles. I better get going.
Wait, what? Wait, where are you guys going? Come on, guys. Goggles really did lose her head, didn't she? That's a pretty funny joke, right? Huh? I'll never let this meat go to waste. Well, I wouldn't eat that, would you guys? Not one bit. Well, do you know who might eat all of that? Who? What? You pointing at? Alright! Time for my 14th meal of the day. Oh, hey there. Are you a group of seagulls? I'm the only seagull here. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Well, alright then. I was gonna go get something to eat. For dinner? Yeah, or else you guys can be my dinner. No thanks. Goodbye. Wait! I tried to make a joke about it. Whatever.
I'll just recover it for me.
Are you done? Yeah. I didn't know you were that gross and terrifying. I know. That big pink guy was trying to eat us. Yeah. And we don't know where that freaky flyer guy went.
Yeah.
Did I hear that he went to IKEA?
Yeah.
IKEA?
Well,
Here, hop on my head. Alright. That's where we're going. We'll be right back in a couple of minutes.
you know.
Wait, I wanted to go to IKEA as well, but...
Now, let me see if they're having fun.
Hey, freaky flyer? Huh? What? How was that? Wait a minute. Where are we? Wait a minute. Wait, did I sleep in... We're in IKEA, guys. Wait, what? IKEA? What are you talking about? IKEA has loads of cool furniture and, toys. Yeah. Well, might as well start the adventure. Yeah, let's go. Alright, what do we have? Hey, I want to get in here. What the? I can't get in. Oh, I just don't go over here. That's pretty cool, right? I want to take a look at some more stuff. Alright then. Alright, follow me, guys. How satisfied are you with your experience today? Really satisfied. What? 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 It's broken! Come on! Alright, I'm coming! Ah? What? There's a bike up there. How am I gonna get it down? I don't think you can. Well, if only I could. Do you think you would ride the bike? What are you looking at? I'm just looking at this plant over there. We don't have time for this. We gotta look at some more stuff. Yeah. Wow! That's pretty cool. Here, let's see if I can try and turn this on. What, no power button? Oh, man. Hey, do you see that they made up a window? Right? It's like we're actually in Britain. Oh yeah, there's Big Ben in London. Oh, alright then. I want to take a look at some more stuff. Fine. Alright then. Let's take a look at the kitchen. Oh man. There's a hammer! Hey, put that down! You guys like that? No, we did not. Alright, let's go to another place. Okay, I don't know what this place is. Wow, there's actual wool over there. Maybe I might make a jacket. I'm not sure if you can with all of that. Well, oh, look at these mannequins up there. This is very interesting. Anyways, let's take a look at some more interesting stuff. I guess we could. Nah, save it for later. Okay, what's over here? Oh, look! They got a train! Yeah, I see that freaky flyer. I'm gonna ride it. Push me. Are you sure? Yeah, do it. Okay. Whee! Oh man, that was fun. Still got some other stuff to see. Alright then. And over here is, whoa, what's this? Oh! What? Well, that looks pretty interesting. Doesn't it? It kind of looks like my village. What? Oh no. Right. I think we have one more thing to look at. Okay, then. Wow. Wheat dough cinnamon bun? Muffins? I think I might have some of those. Don't you think? We haven't even looked at another thing. Here. Promise you one more. Huh? I'll take a look at the TV. Alright, here's the thing I want to show you guys. Here it is! Whoa! Now that looks pretty cool. Can I have one of those? Should I? Just please. We can have one. I don't think I have any money on me. Oh, hi, come on, let's go. Well, I think I can have one, but whatever. Alright, I think we're done here. Yeah, I didn't know I was in IKEA the whole time. Well, we already knew you are, but we have to go back to the studio. It's gonna be late. Come on. Alright then. I want to stay in IKEA. Come on!
Now what?
Alright. Now we have... Is it safe for us to go over? I don't know. So you really are a fusion, right? Yeah, I explained in the last episode, didn't I? Yeah, I know you did. Oh, hello there. Ah! A snake! Hold on. Alright guys, we're back from IKEA. I mean, I should have stayed and watched that video. Yeah, I really wanted it more than you did. I just wanted to stay in here. Oh! Hey there, Mr. Weird Alien Guy. Is this your brother? No, we're both limited editions. I'm Wet Willy, and this is Foot and Mouth. What are you supposed to be? I'm a fly man. Yeah, it seems that you're pretty fly. Gargles?
What's going on? Where am I?
Oh, you're still in the studios.
Oh, look, everyone's back.
Huh?
I guess it's gone now. I guess it's safe for us now.
What? Who said that?
It was us.
Sorry. I guess I was pretty quick, wasn't it? Yeah, I do. Yeah, I know. What is this, like a banana or something like that? It tastes like butter. Yep, that's me, the butter corn dog. Wait, he's a butter corn dog? Why is he talking? It's because I want to be part of this show. It's cool, don't you think? Yeah, great. And a turkey? What's a turkey doing here? This show is completely strange. Yeah, I know. Gargles? Yeah! And a guy with 3 legs? What was going on? It's completely wacky, isn't it? Yeah, what we said. And an ice cream cone?
Yeah, hello. I'm the Prime Minister of the wedding. You know, the Lego Movie 2.
I don't really think that you are.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, but I would just like to have a little... Looking at him makes me want to have some ice cream. Yeah. What? Please don't tell me. What's next? A bigger ice cream cone and a chocolate bar? At least there isn't a big ice cream cone. I spoke too soon. Like when you just predict something, and then it actually happens. Well, that's not really how it happens, Mr. Werewolf. What are you? A mouth and a foot? Yep. But please don't eat me. And the number 2? What's going on? Yeah, I know, he decided to come into our show for some reason.
Yeah, I'm here with the power of 2!
He's a Mixel now. A Mixel now?
No, he's a human now. Alpha BSB.
How many times do I have to tell you? Anyways, there might be a little more wacky characters coming over. What, like a weird guy with a eye bigger than his other eye?
That's my cheek, don't you know?
Yep, that's the principal.
I know, don't you know?
Really, Wet Willy? Wait, it's not my fault.
It's his fault.
Hello, it's my fault.
Alright, what's next? Is there gonna be clones of you? Oh, wait, there always has been, right?
That guy just came in this season. And Clag, we now call him Blotch. He's, probably last season, I think.
I'm the cousin. And he's my other cousin. Hello, I'm Croaker.
Excuse me, Willie, can I talk to you in private, please?
Well, I just was going over. And where's Glider?
Come in.
When's your chili? Hey! It's pretend! Well, then what's the point of selling it? It's fine.
They've been eaten.
And a tortoise. I already knew.
The Crashlings.
I mean, he's pretty cute in his own way, don't you think?
Yep.
Alright, just a second, please. Alright, foot and mouth. What is it you want to talk to me about? What even are those guys you're sending in? Well, it's not my fault that someone's sending them in. Gunky Pump has hired those people to take part in the show. The number 2? And 2 ice cream cones and a chocolate bar? Seriously? What's next? A talking soccer ball? With 3 eyes? I don't think it is. Now what, you're gonna tell me that there's 4 body parts controlled by a robot virus? I don't want to make you mad, but... What? Yeah. What?
I like living in the darkness.
Yeah, I know.
'Cause that's what evil do.
You guys pretty much sure about this? Hold on, give me a second. Here we go. Much better. Yeah, for all of us 4 body parts controlled by a robot virus. Unbelievable. I mean, it's kind of funny that you predict something and it actually happens. Are you like a psychic fusion or something like that? Guess I could be. And what are you exactly? Oh, he's my new best buddy. Or might be brothers. I guess so.
Yeah, now, better sit down and think at the garden.
Okay, that's pretty weird. A talking foot and mouth? What are they sending in here?
I don't know. Doesn't even look like I care.
I'm the
anyway.
second limited edition Flush Bowl. Along with Wet Willie. And you are?
Well, I'm
Let me guess. A big old pile of bacon.
Lord Growstopper. And I don't really have time for this right now.
Well, I guess. I mean, it's not as weird as a talking Cheeto with glasses on. Look, being a Cheeto with sunglasses on is cool. Don't you forget that, buddy, with your one eye. Oh, there you go. Look what you made him do.
Get you this thing.
Yeah, Gooey does that all the time. What? Gooey eats stuff all the time. Okay then. Alright. Guys, since this guy is new, I'm just gonna ask him properly to leave. Ow! I'm sorry, just fell out of the recovery center, okay? I think it's best not to be here. Come on, let's go, buddy. Robot guy? Ow! Are you like that? A Chewy? Sweetie? No, I'm out of here. I'm definitely out of here. Wait, come back! Oh.
Where are we?
What's taking them so long? Can't believe you just let me look at a few characters. And you're right, they are definitely wacky. The number 2 and a clam and a chocolate bar, 2 ice cream cones and a literal turkey. And a literal turkey. Oh, well thinking, goggles.
Yum, 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 cuckoo. Know what the time means? Guess what's inside the toilet? Nothing.
I'm going home.
Isn't it pretty late to do that, by the way?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well, I think it was late, so, here's what I tell you is there's nothing to be afraid of. There's no late as a 2 minute yum yum yum